Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, this is going to be a quick afternoon update on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana in that order. Right now, we are looking at Bitcoin. And guys, just like I predicted, I called this when we were down here in yesterday's video. If you watch yesterday's video, you can see I called this down at the bottom. First, I did a video before saying that they're going to defend this area. The bulls are going to defend this area. Well, we got the bounce. We got the W pattern. We broke out right here, guys. Boom, broke out right here. We got the move to the upside. Now, with that being said, we are hitting my Fibonacci retracement. I had it at 44,122. We hit 44,110. So, I mean, 12 bucks off. It's pretty close, guys. But we did hit it. So I would like to see us break this. And I would actually like to see us break this previous high coming in right around uh, 44,350 area. Let's make sure. Actually, let's go 44,360 area. Okay. Let's just go a little bit. Let's just make sure that we break that. Actually, 65. 365 area, guys. I want to see that get broke. But we are getting rejected right now off my Fibonacci. So let's see how that plays out. Let's see. Also, we're coming up, guys, on this 20 right here. This could act as resistance. This is the 20 EMA right here, coming in right around 44,213 area. So let's see if we hit that and bounce, or let's see if the fib holds up. Or if it doesn't, let's see if we can get to the upside, go higher in the upside here. But guys, we played out this pattern. Worked perfectly. Yeah, sometimes you don't always get to that target, but we're pretty close right here. So I wouldn't be surprised if it does end here. If it doesn't, and we do meet the target, great. It'll just make me even even more valid on what we were talking about. But sometimes you get up to 80% of that target, and people start to take money. So this is a possibility, So just keep that in mind. Ethereum, we hit the W pattern here, hit our bounce perfectly off my line to almost to the dollar here. Then we came up, guys. Remember, I said my first target would be 30.50. We got up to 30.48. I mean, think about that, guys. My first target would be 30.50. Remember, because I talked about 29.50 area, and then I talked about this 30.50 area. We got past my 29.50. We got to the 30.50 or 3,048 area. So we were a couple dollars short there. Excuse me. And so yeah, so we hit some of these targets here. So let's see what happens. Let's see if Bitcoin can blow past these things and get to the upside. Now, with that being said, on the 4-hour ribbons, guys, we are doing good. This is a good sign on the 4-hour. Let's see if we can hold it up. Let's see how the daily candle closes tonight. Matic, guys, Matic was awesome. We hit our target at 315. Look at the high. I'm 315. $1.15. Guys, that was the exact high, $1.15 so far. We got rejected, so we did hit our target there as well. So keep an eye on that. I will be doing an update later tonight, of course, on the downside and the upsides for you guys. We're going to see how everything plays out with Bitcoin. Cardano, we just still haven't. It's been stagnant, guys. Hasn't done much. It's pretty ugly. It hasn't broke our target of anywhere from 214,500 to 215. I would like to see the $2.15 area break. We still haven't got that, so there's no W working out here yet. So I mean, it's unfortunate. It is what it is. Solano, we actually let's see, we're coming out of this pattern. Solano's looking great, but I think there's a little bit scarcity on Bitcoin right now because if Bitcoin doesn't meet the target, it could drop really quick. So I think that's what's holding up Solana right now. Also, we came pretty close to my target. I mean, I had 143, and we got to 142.95. So literally a 0.5 off. I mean, that's like, you pretty much hit the target, right? Our first target, anyways. Wasn't our second target, but our first target we hit. We got our bounce off the 134, which was the low, guys. 134. So we got the bounce off of 134 right here. Boom. Nailed that perfect. Hit the first target. So everything is worked out exactly as we wanted to work out. Now, the W didn't play out as much as I wanted to. It kind of failed on us. So we didn't hit that W target. If we do go to the 4 hour, there's actually still a chance. It's just not the prettiest W because we kind of came back down here. But we are coming out of this long-term trend. So let's see what happens there. But let's see if Bitcoin gets rejected, which it kind of looks like we are right now, but this could change. At 4 o'clock, we get the 4 hour candle closing. So let's see what happens there. But yeah, guys, everything is worked out. So far, we hit our first target. You always want to hit at least your first target, and you always want to hit your bounce. I mean, because those are great trades, right? So we got the bounce, and then we got our target after the bounce. So we hit the bounce, then we came up. Oops, right here. Then we came up. That's almost 7%, guys. Okay, Bitcoin. If you want to actually call it where I called it, I mean, that's almost 7%, but we're going to do this correctly right at our, that's almost 4% on a Bitcoin move. Ethereum, we called the bounce. If you wanted to call it from the bounce, that would have been almost 10% there, but we'll call it from where we called it. We called it at the bottom, actually. But even if you took it at 29.50, you still got almost 3.5% there. Matic, what did we say? Above 109 to maybe 115. So let's do this. That's almost 6% there. So guys, I'm sorry, but we did say 206, get a bounce off of 206. So could we call that and see where we're at right now? Almost almost 4% there on Cardano. But guys, the bottom line is, we crushed everything from yesterday's video. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Once again, we keep our winning streak alive. Me personally, I always take some profits at my target 1, which we hit, and then I move my stop loss to my buy-in price. That's personally how I trade. You guys could do whatever you want. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But that's how I trade, guys. So I hit my target 1. I take a little bit off the board. I move my stop loss up. And I did that on all these. Okay. So actually, I didn't take the Cardano trade at all. Yeah, so I took the Solana. I took this Ethereum trade, but most of my trade was I like the Matic one, so I took the Matic and I took the Solana just because I thought I could get better percentages off that. Now, if I would have got the bottom, I did call the bottom here, but I wanted to wait for confirmation, which I probably shouldn't have. I probably should have just trusted my bottom move, but that's always a little dangerous. I could have bought the bottom and then put the stop loss right underneath it. That's something that I've done in previous videos, but in a downtrend, it's kind of risky, so I didn't do it. But usually that's what I do, guys. I buy this when I call this bottom, I buy it and then I'll put my stop loss like 1% underneath it so I don't get too crushed. But let's see what happens with Bitcoin, guys. It still could go up. It still could break out here. It still could get above my 45,000. A move above this 44. No, we're going to say 44,380. We're just going to call it like that. Move that area um, could send us higher. Okay. But, like I said, we did get rejected off my point. We got rejected off of my point here on Solana. Ethereum, we got rejected off my point on Ethereum. We got rejected at Matic. We never even got to my. What did we get? Oh, we got pretty close. $2.1369. That's pretty close, but we didn't get there on Cardano. Cardano is just very, very weak. But let's see what happens, guys. Let's see how this 4-hour candle closes. Right now, it's looking good. But things can change quick. So let's keep that in mind. I just wanted to give you guys an update. Much love. I'm happy for all you guys. I hope you guys, took some of these trades, moved your stop losses up. We got the bottoms on some of them on Solana. Well, we called the bottoms on everything, but me trading personally, I just took the bottoms on Solana, Matic. I should have took it on Bitcoin and Ethereum, but I'm always honest with you guys when I do things. So if Bitcoin, I'm going to go higher on Bitcoin if we do get above, uh, this 44,800. Oh no, wait, was it no 44,380? And I'll be very bullish if we can get above 44,700, my $45,000 area. Okay, so I'll be looking a lot more bullish then. But until then, we still could see downside, guys, if we do not break these areas, these highs, because this is in the end is just a lower high. We had a higher high here, and a lower high here. I'm sorry, a higher high here, a lower high here, and then another lower high here. So it's still looking bearish, but we're in the range where this thing could break out. Everything could break out. We're still in the range, so there's still a lot of hope. But I'm glad everything worked out for you guys. We did call this at the bottom. I got the video out to you guys. First of all, I got the video out before we hit the bottom. We were up here, and I called the bottom. Then I got the video out right when we bounced off the bottom and said, hey, guys, looking for a bounce here. So you guys could have made your decisions. Or even if you would have just took it right when we broke the W, you still would have made money. So either way, you guys should be up. You guys should have made money. Everybody should be happy right now. Make sure you guys sub. Make sure you guys hit the like. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But make sure you guys do that for me. I really appreciate you guys. I had over 100 likes in my last video. Thank you guys so much. I love all you guys. I really appreciate all you guys. And thank you guys for subbing. I just started this channel, so I can't show you enough love. Besides doing these charts for you guys and everything working out. So much love to you guys. I appreciate it. I'll also put a link to Twitter in the description, and Webull, if you do sign up and deposit $100, you do get 3 free shares. So that's something, I just want to give you guys something in return. You guys can, it's free money, so why not do it, right? Much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll do an update video later tonight. I believe tonight's the monthly close, so we'll keep an eye on that. So much love to you guys. Tonight will be a very important video. So peace out.